with irrational numbers, which cannot be written in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. ये हमने क्लास 9 में भी पढ़ा था कि नंबर विच कैन नॉट बी रिटन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. तो that type of numbers are known as irrational numbers. ये पढ़ा, लेकिन हमने एग्जांपल हम कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे कि द गिवन नंबर इज irrational number. तो we have two things, that non-terminating non-repeating decimals are irrational. क्लास 9 में भी हमने ये देखा था कि नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग नॉन रिपीटिंग डेसिमल, नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग नॉन रिपीटिंग डेसिमल आर इरेशनल. नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग नॉन रिपीटिंग मीन्स व्हाट? 0.20202000 इस टाइप का नंबर. इसमें एक सेम पैटर्न रिपीट नहीं हो रहा. और हमने 9th क्लास में डेसिमल टू P upon Q फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट किया था, तो केवल हमने टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल को किया था और नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग रिपीटिंग डेसिमल्स को ही किया था. दूसरा रूट पी is irrational. Root P, and what is P? P is what? Non-perfect square number. Non-perfect square number means which is not a square of any number. Non-perfect square number which is not a square of any number. 4 is perfect square number, 9 is perfect square number, 16 is perfect square number. These are the square of any number. But 5 is not a square of any number. So root 5 is what? Irrational. Root 7 is what? Irrational. In the next part we will prove that why root 5 is irrational, why root 7 is irrational. Root 3 is an irrational number. Root 3 is an irrational number. जैसा कि अभी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं हम कि रूट में अगर नॉन परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर्स होंगे या प्राइम नंबर्स होंगे तो दैट विल बी व्हाट? इरेशनल. हम कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी एज्यूम कर लेते हैं. लेट कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी मीन्स इसका जस्ट अपोजिट. जो हमें प्रूव करना है इसका अपोजिट. हमें प्रूव करना है कि रूट 3 इज इरेशनल, तो हम एज्यूम कर लेते हैं कि रूट 3 इज रेशनल. If root 3 is rational, then root 3 can be written as A upon B, where A and B are co-prime. अब यह नया वर्ड है co-prime. Co-prime means two such number having not more than one common factor, and that common factor is 1. Means दोनों में कोई भी common factor नहीं होना चाहिए 1 के अलावा. 1 is factor of every number. मीन्स दूसरी भाषा में हम कह सकते हैं कि दो नंबर ऐसे जो कि सेम नंबर से डिविजिबल नहीं हो आर नोन एज को प्राइम नंबर. जैसे 5 और 7, 5 एंड 9. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं कि को प्राइम नंबर्स में जो नंबर्स होंगे वो प्राइम होंगे. 5 एंड 9 आर को प्राइम बिकॉज 5 इज डिविजिबल बाय 5 and 9 is divisible by 3 and 9. So there is no common factor, okay, except 1. Now what we do? We just transpose B here, so it is B root 3 is equal to A. Now on squaring both sides, what we get? It is B square into 3 is equal to A square. Means A square is what? 3 into something. A square is what? 3 into something. Means this 3 is factor of A square. Means what we conclude? 3 is factor of A square. And just we have discussed if 3 is factor of A square, so 3 is also factor of A. So this implies 3 will be factor of A. If 3 is factor of A, means A can be written as 3 into something, let something, that number is C. C is any integer. We take this as a first and this as a second. Now we'll put the value of A in first. So from first in second. क्या किया हमने, इस A की वैल्यू को यहाँ पुट करना है. तो इट इज व्हाट, B स्क्वायर इंटू 3 इज इक्वल टू 3 इंटू C. इस A की जगह 3 इंटू C होल स्क्वायर. So it is B square into 3 is equal to square of 3 is 9 and square of C is C square. Then B square is equal to what? 9 into C square upon 3. So 3 3 is 9. Okay. So what we have, B square is equal to 3 into C square. What we conclude from this statement, that B square can be written as 3 into something, means 3 is factor of B square. If 3 is factor of B square, so 3 will be factor of B also, means 3 is factor of B square. This implies 3 will be factor of B. And what we see, 3 is factor of A, and here we prove that 3 is factor of B, means 3 is a common factor among A and B. A और B के बीच में 3 common factor है, means अगर 3 common factor है तो A and B what are not co-prime. अगर दोनों में common factor आ गया तो A और B जो है वो co-prime नहीं होंगे, और co-prime नहीं होंगे तो whatever we assume that is wrong. Means this implies A and B are not co-prime. If A and B are not co-prime, this implies our assumption. And what is our assumption? Root 3 is rational was wrong. What we assume? Root 3 is rational. That assumption was wrong. If that assumption was wrong, then what is correct? Root 3 is an irrational. So in this way you can prove that root 3 is an So root 5 is an irrational, we have to prove. Again, we assume that contradictory, root 5 is rational. If root 5 is rational, then root 5 can be written as A upon B, where A and B are co-prime. Then transpose B here, we will get B into root 5 is equal to A square. Squaring both sides, this is B square, root 5 square, root 5 whole square is 5. Means what? A square can be written as 5 into something, means 5 is factor of A square. If 5 is factor of A square, then 5 will be factor of A. If 5 is factor of A, then A can be written as 5 into something. So we will write 5 into C. Now we will put 5 into C in first. So this is B square into 5 is equal to A square. So A is what? 5 into C. So 5 into C. So 5 square is 25. So we will find out the value of B square. So it is 25 into C square upon 5. 5 5 is 25. So what we conclude? B square is equal to 5 into C square. Means B square can be written as 5 into something. Means 5 is factor of B square. If 5 is factor of B square, then 5 will be factor of B also. Means 5 is factor of B as well as A. Means A and B have a common factor B. Means A and B are not co-prime. But we assume here A and B are co-prime. Means our assumption was wrong. So our assumption root 5 is rational was wrong. If it is wrong, then what is right? Root 5 is an irrational. Now we have to prove that 5 minus root 3 is an irrational. So again we'll prove by contradiction. We assume here let contradictory. 5 minus root 3 is rational. If 5 minus root 3 is rational, then we may write it as a 5 minus root 3 is equal to a upon b, where a and b are co-prime. These are co-prime numbers. Now we will transpose a upon b in LHS. So it is 5 minus a upon b is equal to root 3 sorry. मीन्स हमें करना क्या है, रूट वाले नंबर्स को एक साइड में रखना है, बाकी नंबर्स को दूसरे साइड में ट्रांसपोज कर देना है. नाउ टेकिंग एलसीएम इट इज 5, so it is 5b minus a is equal to root 3. See, a and b are what? Co-prime and co-prime are what? Integer. These are what? Integers. 5 is also integer. So multiplication of integer is integer and difference of integer is integer and b is also integer. Means integer upon integer means this is what? Rational number. P upon Q form, P and Q are integer. So it is rational number. But root 3 is what? Irrational number. A rational number cannot be equal to irrational number. Means that statement is wrong. Why this statement is wrong? Because we assume something wrong. So see, since a, b and 5 are integers, so 5b minus a upon b is rational. If it is rational, then which contradict the fact. ये रेशनल है तो किसका कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन कर रहा है कि रूट 3 इज इरेशनल, क्योंकि रेशनल नंबर कैन नॉट बी इक्वल टू इरेशनल नंबर. अगर ये रेशनल है तो ये इसका इरेशनल का कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन कर रहा है. मीन्स व्हाट? आवर assumption, what we assume, 5 minus root 3 is rational was wrong. If it is wrong, then what is right? 5 minus root 3 is an irrational. ये जो है irrational होगा. That's all. In this question we have to prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational. So prove by contradiction. Contradictory we assume that contradictory 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. अगर ये rational, हमने इसको rational assume कर लिया. If it is rational, then we can write it as a equal to a upon b, where a and b are co-prime. ये हमने इसको a upon b के इक्वल assume कर लिया because it is rational. Now we'll transpose 3 in that side, so 2 root 5 is equal to a upon b minus 3. इधर LCM ले लेंगे, so it is b, a minus this is 3b. 2 को फिर ट्रांसपोज करेंगे तो रूट 5 इज इक्वल टू a minus 3b upon 2b. See what we conclude from this statement. Here a, b, 3 and 2 are integers. So the numerator is integer and denominator is integer because the product of integers, difference of integers and sum of integer is an integer. So integer upon integer is rational number. So this is rational number, but we know that root 5 is irrational number. So a rational number cannot be equal to irrational number. So we write here since a, b, 3 and 2 are integers. So a minus 3b upon 2b is rational. If it is rational, then it opposes the fact root 5 is, so which oppose the fact root 5 is irrational. रूट 5 इरेशनल है, ये इसका अपोज कर रहा है. अगर ये इसका अपोज कर रहा है या कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट कर रहा है तो हमने जो अज्यूम किया था दैट इज रॉन्ग. सो आवर एजम्पशन व्हाट 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. We assume that it is rational. Was wrong. This assumption was wrong. तो इसका अपोजिट ट्रू होगा और इसका अपोजिट क्या था 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational. So in this way we can prove 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational.